Hello everyone, this is Dylan from CRUKING. Today we visit to XCMG Excavator factory. Today I will introduce this model, XE135GA. Let's check it today.
Let's check the chassis out. A dot mountain shape, X-frame with left and right fault, 175 pitch, reinforced 4-wheel bed. Chain check pin and wheel system pin shaft are uniformly thickened. The anti-extrusion and anti-wheel compatibility are greatly improved. Okay, now let's check the engine. Customized Cummins national for low speed high target engine. Low speed and high target. Sufficient power, wide economy area, and low fuel consumption. Turbocharged engine, fast response speed, string ability to produce in the heavy load condition.
We can see that is Cummins engine. Okay, now let's check this bucket. This bucket is standard bucket with 0.6 cubic. It's very effective.
Okay, now let's check the cabin. It has a spacious cabin with an improved field of view, low noise levels, and efficient air conditioning for a more comfortable environment.
Thanks for watching today. On yours, this model has many advantages. Low fuel consumption. It can use in many different working conditions. If you are interested in it, you can contact me soon.